I'll be showing you how to disable call waiting on your Samsung Galaxy S24. So go to the phone app and then make sure keypad is selected, and then tap on the three-dot button in the top right corner and select settings. On the settings page, go to Supplementary Services, tap on that and allow you to check the current status of your supplementary services. It's currently checking with your provider. So I have supplementary services for one SIM card and the other SIM card on my phone. Okay, so to disable call waiting for this particular SIM card, I'll just need to come here and turn off the toggle button next to call waiting. And that's it. I've disabled call waiting. Now, if I could do this, if I wanted to do this for the other SIM card, all I had to do was disable that. But of course, my provider is preventing me from doing that. Now, if your provider is allowing you to do it, then you can just disable like I've done here. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.